Now January is in the rear view mirror. We can get concentrating on some cool season flowers that'll give you a nice pop of color early in the season. If you missed anything that we've grown so far, I'll link the playlist above at the end of the video. Let's get sowing. Sticking with the no pot up February, we filled up 6 packs here with all-purpose potting mix. We're gonna let this soak in some hot water. It's just easier for the mix to absorb. And we'll let it cool down before we plant our seeds. We're trying something new this year. We're gonna use all-purpose mix for half the 6 packs and seed starting mix for the top part. Then that way the seeds will have an easier time growing down into the seed starting mix, and then we won't have to pot up because we already have the all-purpose mix halfway down, which will save us time when everything else needs to be potted up. Now we'll let this soak. We're going to press these in using the same kind of tray. We have moistened seed starting mix that we're going to take a little bit, sprinkle it on. Now we have the moistened mix on there. We'll press that in to give good seed contact and the area for the seeds to lay on. And now we'll be ready to get our seeds going. We have our pansy seeds right here. Try to put 1 or 2 in each. If we get more, we can just thin them out later. And the important part of pansies is coming up, the next step. Pansies like darkness, so we're gonna lightly cover them with vermiculite. And since they truly like darkness, I will be covering them with a bottom tray. That way they receive no light. Subscribe and good things will come your way.